Welcome to today's video on the introduction to fly fishing. I'm going to take some time today to go through and talk about the bare minimum equipment that you would need to buy to actually just get started and see if you actually like the sport of fly fishing. So, with that said, let's run the intro. Usually during a season of fly fishing, it's common to see a person that appears to be new to the sport, and they've arrived on the stream totally decked out in the latest gear head to toe. I've been fly fishing now for 30 plus years, and here's some of the gear I'll usually take when I head for the stream. I'll go over all this gear in depth in future videos, but for now, let's look at the basic gear you'll need to get started. You'll need a fly rod. You'll need a basic fly reel. You'll need some line. You'll need tippet, backing. You'll need a leader. You'll need some polarized sunglasses, a small box of flies, and a cap with a visor. And of course, you'll need a fishing license for wherever you plan to fish. I haven't answered the question as to which brands to buy or the specifics as to each piece. In my next video, I plan to do just this. I'll go over 5 starter fly fishing sets I've looked into on Amazon. Each set has a 4.5 plus rating and is under $100. I'll discuss each component and compare and pick the one in the end. So, thanks for coming. This is the end of the first video. I look forward to talking to you on the next one. Take care.